Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search for products on AliExpress step by step so you can learn how to use the search bar, filters and categories to find exactly what you want. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. At the top of the home screen, tap on the search bar. Now type the name of the product that you are looking for. After typing, tap search on your keyboard. The AliExpress will now show you the list of the products related to your search. You can just scroll down to explore different options from various sellers. In order to narrow down your results, you can just tap on the filters. Here you will see different filter product options through quality, taste, functions, brands, colors. And after selecting your filters, tap show results. You can also tap on the sort option to organize results by the best matches, top sales, low to high or high to low prices, so you are able to choose the option that suits your needs. If you don't know the exact product name, you can just see the discover more option given and browse the product that you like. And when you find the product that you like, you can just simply tap and open the product page. Here you can see the product image, price and discounts, reviews and rating, as well as shipping details. You can also add the product to your cart, save it to your wish list or tap buy now to purchase it. And that's how you can easily search for products on AliExpress. Using filters and sorting helps you find the best deals faster. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.